DirectPrint lets you automatically print documents from Vico directly to your chosen printer, streamlining your fulfillment workflow. Before you begin, make sure you have pop-ups and redirects enabled in your browser. This is required to download the app. You'll also need Java 11 or newer installed. Most modern devices have Java pre-installed, but you can check your version to be sure. If you need to install Java, go to the link displayed on the screen. Select macOS as your operating system, then select the .pkg file for your macOS version and follow the installation steps. To download DirectPrint, head to the DirectPrint onboarding tool on your Printers and Scales settings page. Click Download for Mac. When the file has downloaded, open it to enter the installation menu. Click Continue. Click Install. You may need to enter your password to allow installation on your device. Click Agree to the DirectPrint terms and conditions to continue. Allow the installer access to system events. Enter your password to allow DirectPrint to make changes to the device. You will be asked to grant permission to connect to Vico by 3 different permissions pop-ups. You've now successfully installed DirectPrint for Vico. Back in Vico, you'll see DirectPrint shows a connected badge on the Printers and Scales page. Now, you need to configure your printer settings for each template. From the Printers and Scales page, you'll see all of your available printing templates and all available printers. Select the printer from the drop-down for each document and then click Save at the bottom. To enable DirectPrint, choose which printer you want to use for each template option. This allows you to automatically send shipping labels and templates to your printer without manually downloading PDFs. Click Save to complete your setup. These settings are saved per user, so different team members can set up different printers based on their needs. You can now print up to 1,000 documents at a time, and DirectPrint will automatically send them to your chosen printers.